Welcome back to Cutting It Close, guys. Today's video, I have a huge announcement to make. So this is not gonna be your typical video. Whenever I started my woodworking journey, whenever I was 16 years old in my parents' horse barn with $75, I could never imagine the roads that woodworking and doing something I love to do, and many of y'all love to do, I couldn't imagine where that journey would ever take me. For me to about to announce what I'm about to announce is kind of mind-blowing. It's super crazy. Thank y'all so much for all the support so far. Here goes. I bought a cooler company. So I took Frio Coolers over January 1st of 2023, and now we combined have about 50 employees between the wood shop and Frio. It is bonkers. Now we have this giant warehouse, 2 locations. So I'm super excited. Let's give you a tour on the inside and kind of show you the inner workings of it. Let's go. So this is a little shot of our 20,000 square foot warehouse, and behind me is a crazy, insane amount of coolers. It is wild that I can come from a wood shop to having something like this and having a warehouse like this. We make everything in-house, so let's go take a look at our vinyl wrapping. We've got a vinyl wrapping printer, and we're wrapping some of our 24/7 cups. And we have our 24/7s, a little patented bottle opener on the bottom. These are store ready. So this is one of our products we do here. So this is our sewing room where like all of these soft sides are made. They literally start out as pieces of just foam and fabric. By the time they leave this room, they end up being a finished product like this. Our coolers even have speakers in them. We literally make these in-house right behind me. Super bonkers. I'm still trying to learn how to sew. It is really, 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 really hard. So all of these girls behind me, all these ladies behind me, and Hilberto in the back over there, give them a lot of credit because they are absolutely fantastic. Say hi to YouTube, everybody. Hey. So it's also a family business. This is my brother right here, the bigger one. He runs operations, he runs the sewing room and all of our printers and whatnot. It's kind of a family business. This is not his kid, it's our sales girl's kid. Just want to throw that out there. You want to say anything to all the good folks on YouTube in the world? So this is some of our product that we actually are sewing up in that room right now. This is called the El Jefe. We came out with it a couple weeks ago. It holds a 6-pack or lunch, or a 6-pack and lunch, depending on how thirsty you are. We also have like this super cool backpack that we do, Go America. And so if you want to support that. And we also have coolers with speakers on them. This is our Frio 360 speaker, removable, detachable, waterproof, plays music. Really, 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 really cool. That can come on pretty much any of our products. As I'm showing you all this, and why am I showing you all of this stuff? Why am I excited about Frio coolers? From the journey that my wood shop has taken me from, and all of your support, all of your continued support, I was able to keep just trying to live the American dream. And I think making products by hand and producing a high quality product and just selling it is pretty much the most honest way to make a living. And I want to keep doing that. But this is just another step in my journey to try to live the American dream and try to fulfill what I was put on this earth to do, which is make products with my hands. I'm not getting away from the wood shop. I'm gonna continue running the wood shop, and we also have a cooler company. A lot of the exact same principles apply. So guys, now and in the future, if you want to directly support me, DrapelloWorks.com and FrioCoolers.com are the best ways, because I am selling the products that we make here and at my wood shop on there, and that is the best way because nothing is free, and I think y'all should get something in return for supporting me. Thanks guys, thanks for watching, and until next time, have a great day.